Another 5, he's 15. He gone. He out there. Another 5, he 20. He ain't seen nothing. He don't know nothing. He ain't been nowhere. He never had a chance. He never got. They dead. He in prison. They get knocked off young. He ain't seeing nothing. He 19, 18, 20 years old. He gone. He gonna do 20. He gonna do 10 years. He gonna do 15 years. He haven't seen nothing. He don't know nothing. We losing them. We losing our children. We losing our babies and nieces and nephews. They gone. And we just popping it. We just popping it.